barbecue fan. Today, we're changing up the pig shot game. We're making pizza pig shots. Check this out. Thick cut bacon, stick of pepperoni, mozzarella cheese, a little pizza sauce, and any kind of seasoning that you would like to top it, maybe a little parsley as well. Let's get into this. There you go. Now you're gonna cut up about, I don't know, 1/4 inch pucks. So we had to switch it up to regular cut bacon. Other stuff that I had was way too thick. Get it as tight as possible. And pick through. There are 3 ready to roll. What you're gonna do, pop in some pizza sauce. Just a little dab. You'd also use fresh diced tomatoes. And then from there, you're gonna put them on a wire rack. Put them on whatever grill you're going to cook them indirect, 275 for about 45 minutes. Now these, you can put anything you want in them, and because these pucks of the pepperoni are pretty big, you can fit a lot of stuff in there. This is going to be awesome. We've got the pig shots assembled. That was a little more work. We had to have an audible. Luckily there was more bacon in the fridge. It wasn't the thick cut, but I think this is going to work even better. These things are massive. So we're gonna hit it up with a little bit of Uncle Steve's South Texas Red. Just top it off. Now these, you could fit so much in these. You could do sausage, you could do black olives, mushrooms, anything you want will fit in these guys. So don't use thin cut. This is actually a thicker cut bacon, but I was going for a really thick one, as you saw from the failure in the beginning. So use what you got, but I think this is going to work out really good because it's a decent thick cut bacon. That pepperoni puck is pretty wide, so the cup that this is made, this is a double pepperoni pizza double shots. Oh hell yeah. Today we're using the S&S kettle. We're using wood lump charcoal in there. We're going to get this lit up, get it going, and I'm using a fire cup inside to get this lit. It'll be going in less than 10 minutes. We'll be up to temp. We'll be putting that on, and we're gonna go for about a half-hour check on them and see where we're at, but it's probably gonna be about a 45-minute cook to an hour at 275. Once your grill is up to temp, you can put these pizza pig shots on. So we're cooking at 275 indirect, any grill of your choice. I'm using a kettle, the S&S kettle with the slow and sear insert, and we're using wood lump charcoal in there. We're just going at 275 up on a wire rack on a cookie sheet, and we're using the ThermalWorks Smoke X4 to monitor the internal ambient temperature. As with the lid, they're very close to about 10 degrees apart. 30-minute check-in. Oh, we're gonna spin them. Oh yeah. Keep it going. The pizza pig shots are done. They've rested. We cooked at 275 for 30 minutes. We bumped the temp up to 300 for the last 25-30 minutes. Pulled them, let them rest, and they're looking amazing. So let's pull a toothpick out of this guy. Oh, pizza pig shots. Oh, hell yeah. Oh, yes. These are amazing. Go do them. Pizza pig shots. Oh, hell yeah. You're going to thank me later. These rock. Pizza pig shots for the win. Tailgating season's here. Party favorites. This is it. Go do it. You're going to be a crowd pleaser. Oh, hell yeah. You're kidding me? It's like pork belly. Well, that's not good. Maybe I shouldn't have cut it right in half, huh? Oh, man. That's some thick bacon. Oh, shit. That's way too thick. Now you gotta overlap it. Well, that changes everything. You know it. You know it, and you know it.